Dandruff is not restricted to the scalp alone. Even the skin on the face and the body is prone to dandruff. It is but natural to assume that dandruff is caused due to dryness. In opposition to this notion, research suggests that dandruff is actually due to cells of the skin that have a very short life. They grow and die with great rapidity. A fungus known as Malassezia is responsible for dandruff. Certain weather conditions do facilitate the growth of dandruff, most commonly the winter season. Contrary to popular belief, one effective way to get rid of dandruff is to shampoo daily. This prevents the growth of the cells that have a short life. An after effect of untreated dandruff is hair loss. Nothing can be more convenient than using neem for dandruff. The properties possessed by the neem leaves are used to treat multiple skin and hair issues. It contains blood purifying as well as antimicrobial elements. It is antifungal and antiviral, anti-inflammatory. Here are some home remedies how to use neem in order to get rid of dandruff and get beautiful shiny hair. Neem and curd. A combination of neem and curd is the ideal way to curb dandruff. Make a paste of neem leaves, add it to a bowl of curd and apply all over your scalp. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse off. The antifungal properties of neem in combination with the soothing and cool effect of curd does wonders in fighting against dandruff. Neem oil. Neem can be used in the form of an oil. This oil can be easily created at home by adding few neem leaves to coconut oil and bringing it to a boil and finally adding a few drops of lemon to it. Rub this oil gently on your scalp, leave it on overnight and then wash off in the morning. By doing this regularly, you can reduce dandruff. Neem hair mask. A homemade neem pack is the easiest remedy for dandruff. All you have to do is take some neem leaves, grind them in the mixture and add a tablespoon of honey to it. Once it becomes a thick paste, put it all over the scalp like a hair mask and allow it to stay for 20 minutes. Wash it when it is dry. By doing this, you can get rid of dandruff. Neem as a hair conditioner. Take a few neem leaves and boil them. Allow them to cool down. After shampooing your hair, rinse the hair with this mixture of neem and see the miracle. The plethora of medical properties exhibited by neem are used for all hair elements and show drastic effects upon regular use. Use these simple home remedies to get rid of dandruff. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.